Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to design this amazing banking website. Okay, this script is awesome. You can use it for money transfer, multi-currency exchange, fixed deposit, apply loan, payment request. You can see fixed deposit plan, you can see deposit pension plan scheme, you can see loan packages. Okay, a lot of things with this script. So this script is awesome. You can see the back end, you can see everything here. Okay, you can see. So if you want to know how to install and use this script, guys, join me at
So guys, first thing first, we have to register our domain name. Okay, how to register our domain name. Okay, register your domain name. You can see the prices they have .com for $4, $4.99. They have dot online, they have is, I think is 1.99. Okay, so you search for the domain name that you want to use. That's the first thing you do. So if you want to design a website, I will advise you to use this host for a good and strong server. Okay, this is just the best. This is .ai. We don't need .ai. What we're looking for is .com. Okay, is .com. They're giving us options. Okay, look at other options. They said it's available now. We saw it's available. So they didn't. It's not available here, but we saw it the other time that it's available. So let's say we are choosing this webkit.site. Okay, once you click on it, so this is what you're paying. Okay, for a year plus and this is free. The domain protection is free. Okay, so for instance, you continue, you can register and buy. Okay, that's not what we're going to do right now. That's how to buy the domain name. Okay, if you want to buy the hosting, if you want to buy the hosting, you can come down here. You can see the three prices they have. This is the most popular one. This is 3.99 monthly, this 2.99 monthly also, and this 7.99 monthly. You can choose the plan you want to use. Basically, these people before it used to be unlimited. Okay, the number of websites you can host, or normally the gigabytes is different, you understand. But as time goes on, they continue getting customer, they continue reducing the gigabytes. But let's say you want to choose this one, that is the most popular. Once you click on the most popular, then you choose how many months you want. Okay, this is 1, 12, 24 and 48. The thing is, I would advise people that have good money to go for 48. You can save up to this amount and pay this amount, 191.52, and you get plus 3 months extra. Is that good? That sounds good, right? So just, if you want to register, then just click on register and choose what you want to register. Okay, so the next thing to do now, after you've registered your host, is to come to your backend. Okay, like I said, this is just the one I'm using right now. Okay, but hosting guy is the best. So you go to your backend and install your script. Okay, once you come to your backend, I've already installed my script. All you need to do is just come here and click on select. Once you go into your computer, you choose where the file is. Okay, just choose where the file is, anywhere it is, and you just upload it. And once it uploads and shows you a green sign, then you can come back here and extract what you want to do. Okay, just extract it. Okay, you extract it. Once you finish extracting it, you have to wait for it. Now it has extracted. Okay, once you finish extracting it, then you come back to create your database, right? You must create your database, which is a must. Okay, then let's say we'll call this one Live Bank. Okay, call it Live Bank. Okay, okay, create your password. You understand? You create the first one and you put it again. Okay, then you have to add the both here. You have to connect them, the database user and the database. Okay, then all privileges, you have to click all privileges and you make a change. Okay, then my user and my database are the same thing, you can see. So the next step to do now is to go into what you type in the URL where the file is. Like mine, this way it is in file.goosefile.com.ng / then install. Okay, then / install. Okay, sorry. Okay, just click installation or install. Installation will be the best. Installation, you can see installation. Okay, then next, then the name you want to use, let's just use, okay, let me just type in okay, then company details, let me just use this, let me use Lagos. Okay, okay, so guys, we are at the back end now. Okay, this is not the back end though, but let's go to the front end. You can see, wow guys, this the front end of the website. This how it looks like. You can see the front end of this website. The website is good. Money transfer, multi-currency, exchange currency, fixed deposits, apply loan, payment request. You can see loan, even a loaning website. You can also create this one as for people that want to loaning and investments also. Okay, an investment also, you can also make this an investment. This is a loan. Okay, deposit, fix. This script has a lot of features.
Let me just log in and okay, sorry, just log in, it will take you to the admin. So these are the details, okay, of the main admin. Okay, so let's go through the settings. Okay, this is system settings. You can enable and disable the front end. Okay, what it means is, you can see, let me disable it, and let's remove. Come here. It will take you back to login. It will take you back to the back end. Okay, let me log out and you will see what I mean. There's no home page anymore. That is what we did. It will always take you. That means there's no back end, there's no home page anymore. So you've given the permission that you don't want the home page anymore. Okay, that is if you don't want the home page. Maybe you want to use a WordPress for the home page and you want to use this as the back end. So you can just do the name of the website, okay, and .com.ng .anything. Then you can do a subdomain like this file subdomain and install the back like this script on the back end. So let's enable it back. So the currency position, left or right, anywhere you want the currency to be, then the time frame 24 hours, or so email verification. If you want email verification or you don't want people to verify email, the two-factor authentication, depending on what you want. The wire bank transfer, okay, there is manual input, then the language, then the time format, depending on what you want. Allow sign up. If you don't want people to sign up anymore on your website, you enable or you disable it. Then mobile verification, you can do mobile verification. KY verification, yes, I want KY verification. So now for the next account number, okay, now for the next account number, depending on what you want, like if your bank, if this is your bank, now you want it to be like sorry, come, let me refresh it again. Okay, come back to settings. Okay, now let's say this is your bank and you want the account number to start from anything you want the account number to start from. Is a general something, like, okay, you just want it, then you want it to be like be okay, it uses only number, so only number, you cannot add maybe alphabet or something else, only numbers. Okay, so I want to enable one page, let me enable it. Okay, then the system module, send money, yes, wire transfer, yes, all these deposits, even gift. This website you can also make it available for a gift card, you understand. You can sell gift card on this website, seriously. So you can enable it, the loan, people that want to loan, then DPS also you can enable it, exchange money, you can exchange from one currency to another currency, then request payment request, automatic deposit money, then enable withdrawal, enable, disable, you want it to be enabled now. Then the KYC, this is where you build your KYC. You can see the first name is not a file, it's a text, then it's required, then you can see maybe last name, maybe you can see passport, let's see passport, you can see ID number, then these are all text, area. No, this is text box, text box, and this is the only one that will be, okay, sorry, no, this is the only one that will be, because somebody has to upload this thing here, the passport here. Okay, then OTP, whatever, depending on what you want for the OTP. Email configuration, okay, you can configure your email here. If you want to know how to configure email on any server, please check the video down below. SMS, login, social media login, you can use Google and Facebook to log in. Then reCAPTCHA, you can use a reCAPTCHA here, then you put the secret key and also if you want to know how to put your reCAPTCHA, okay, the video down below to explain to you. Then cron job, this cron job you have to add it at the back end. Okay, cron job, you come to your panel and you type in cron job, just you can see it down here, should be somewhere around your cron jobs, look at it here. So if you want to add your cron jobs, it's very easy. Okay, you can choose, mostly some servers don't allow you to choose a closer time frame, they allow you to choose like hour or weekly. Let it once per week, maybe, you understand, let your cron job be active like once per week. They don't like if you do it very close, like for the first one like this, once per minute. They will disable your website, they will disable it because you chop up the server itself. So you can use something like this. So you can just add your cron jobs here. It's not hard. Okay, you copy the second one. After adding the other one, then you add the other one, then logo and favicon. So this way you add your logo. Okay, this way you add your logo. This way you add your logo. Your favicon. So this way you add them both. Okay, then cache control. You can build a cache, application cache also, depending on what you want. Okay, that was the settings. Okay, now this is how your dashboard looks like. This is your dashboard: active users, pending KYC, pending tickets, deposit request, withdrawal request, loan, FDR, wire transfer. Okay, now you can go to all users. You can add a user. This is where you add a user. Okay, let us put some random details here. Don't worry, let us put something random. We've not created branch yet. Email, no, we've not created all these. Yes, profile pictures. We'll create a branch. Maybe it will not allow because of the branch. Okay, you can still check all users here. You can check all users, just like you can add user from this place. Then you can also put the account number you want to put for the person, then the KYC documents for those people that have submitted, then the wire transfer. Okay, you can see pending wire transfers, withdrawal, people that have withdrawn, make withdrawal, the history. You can see all this here. Then transfer money, you want to transfer money, the currency you're choosing. Then all transactions, you can see all your transactions here. Then the loan, all loan, you can see them here. Then you can add loan calculator. Then if you apply for this, interest rate per year, then whatever, then the flat rate, fixed rate, mortgage, then one-time payment, then the terms and conditions, then the period of the loan, whatever. Then you can new loan. This way you put the loan ID, anything about every details about the loan. Okay, then the loan product, you can see already there are loans here. You understand? Already we have. You can also edit if you want to edit. Then the fixed deposits, any fixed deposit, you can see them in any other thing. Then the FDR, they are all here. Then the all DPS, then you can also add DPS also. Then gift cards. Okay, then you can add, even you can see gift card that has been used, and you can also add gift card. This is a gift card number, then the currency of the gift card, then the amount of that gift card. You can add gift card, people can buy. Then the support ticket, you can see it here. Then the branch, then you can add branch here. You can add branch that you want to add here. Then maybe let's say you've added, this is the branch, other banks. Sorry, it's a bug. Okay, I'll fix it up. Then you can see the system, people that are in the system, the user row. You can add this, just like adding another admin to the whole thing. Okay, then this is the access control, the currency list. You can add currency list here. Just like if you see now, this dollar, you can see the rate. This is $1. Yes, it is actually, yes. So naira is, if you are adding naira, NGN. Okay, exchange rate is So let's re-edit this. I'm coming. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's like only one. Because I want to display the main currency on the website. Okay, transaction deposit settings. So this the methods you can deposit with. Okay, these are the method you can deposit with, the gateways. Okay, even the withdrawal gateways, you can see it. So you can add method, you can add here, select the currency in naira, just active anything, the percentage you want, the logo of that currency, the name of the currency. Okay, you can add other fields here, the information. So this for the website management. This for if you want to edit the home page. If you want to edit this whole home page here, okay, this is what you use for the payment request, loan and whatever. So you can see all these ones, your payment requests, you can change it and it will work from this aspect. So the pages, the menu, the theme option, all. If you just want to change anything you want to change, the login page, you want to change anything about the login page, the footer area you want to put in, maybe you want to do 2025. Let's see, you can see 2025. So anything you want to change, okay, the SEO, anything you feel like changing, okay, it will work. This is the general we came to. Okay, so for I'm coming to the branch, we've created one branch. All users, then row want to add. If you are adding, let's say I'm coming, like, let me just put member just for some purpose. I'm not using picture. So this person here is not an admin. Okay, for instance, this person is not an admin. So let's log out. Okay, let's log out. You can see that person is not an admin. Okay, okay, so coming, so basically if you add this also as an admin, that means the person will have the full access to everything on this website. And one good thing about it is, once any changes that the person does, you will definitely see it as the admin also. Okay, so Right now, let's go to the front end. Let's create another user. Okay, let's just name this. Okay, now this is the backend and this is the account number for this account here. If you want to submit your documents, you can come here, KYC information, you can put the name, you can just choose anything. Okay, and you can put in the number of the ID, then you submit. Okay, then you can see thank you for submitting your document. You will be notified soon after reviewing your document by authority. Okay, now if you want to send money, okay, till the KYC have been approved before you be able to do anything on the website. Okay, now you can see KYC, you can see one pending, then you can view. Okay, then you can view document here. You can check everything about the document. You can click about, you can see and check the if it is, you can reject or approve. Let's approve it. So you can see it's no more there. Okay, now you can see you can send money. Okay, you can see it's working. You can send money, put the amount you want to put. You can exchange money. Okay, from what currency to what currency you can do that. Okay, so wire transfer, you can also do wire transfer. You can request payment request from somebody, receiver, the person that is receiving the amount, then the currency, then the amount description. Deposit also, you can see manual deposit and the rest. You can redeem a gift card. If somebody wants to give you a gift card, you can also do that. Then the loan, the withdrawal. Okay, you can apply for a loan depending on which loan you want to apply for, naira, the date, then the apply amount you want to apply, then what you want to attach to it. So guys, this script is awesome. Okay, script is amazing. It's very amazing. Okay, you can do a lot of things with this script. Like I said, you can see script is awesome. Okay, can do wonderful things with the scripts. So if you want this script, guys, check the link down below to get the script today. Okay.